So I know a lot of you guys are pretty experienced and you probably already know how to go ahead and fulfill your dropshipping orders, but this video is just for those who don't and you're sort of new to e-commerce, you don't know what to do when you get an order, how to go ahead and fulfill it and ship it to the customer, like what's the processes step by step. So here's a complete walkthrough, very in-depth. I take one of my students through the whole process and you guys get to literally watch me train someone over their shoulder. So this is something that you can continuously refer to every time you get your own order. On top of that, this order wasn't straightforward. Like the linked product to the Oberlo was out of stock, so we had to go ahead and find an alternate supplier. So as a result, we had to do that, and you guys got to see the whole process on how we went ahead and did that. So here's the step-by-step tutorial on how to go ahead and fulfill your first AliExpress orders. And then click fulfill in Oberlo. Are you logged into AliExpress?
Order? Yeah.
Okay, so now click order product, and then now you don't touch anything. Now you go ahead and place order. Actually select shipping.
Yeah, you notice that. Yeah, how come it doesn't say e-packet right here?
So now what you can do is you can look for a different supplier and you manually complete the order. So maybe for this country, this supplier has expensive shipping. So what you want to do is go back to AliExpress and you want to manually fulfill it. So I'll teach you how to manually fulfill orders because this shipping is a bit expensive. So go back to AliExpress homepage, and it's good how Oberlo put in her address and everything automatically. On the top right hand corner, click ship to, top right hand corner next to the American flag. Change that country to French. French Guinea. First one, French Guinea, that's the country. Change currency to USD as well.
I got you.
And now go ahead and search up the product on AliExpress. So in this case, sometimes you get to a point where you forgot what you searched on AliExpress, so you can't find the product again. You know how when you search up blackhead mask remover, there's just a bunch of suppliers? Well, in this case, the student forgot the name of the product or what they searched to find the product. So we're going to show you a strategy where you go ahead and go to that actual product's listing, scroll to the very bottom and look for similar suppliers.
Let's go original right here. Okay, so this is the original one. Go all the way down, maybe.
Yeah, and then you can find similar ones and open them up all in a new tab. Yep, now select the color. And yeah, shipping is 1/3 of the price. And you will stick to AliExpress standard shipping. And by doing this, you're able to save. The other one was $8. This one's $2. So you are able to just save $6 by manually fulfilling it on your own. And what you could even do is you could change out the product and attach this new listing to the product on Shopify.
Yeah. See what it is? They don't have the color. They don't have blue.
Then you'll have to find another supplier. So this is sort of where you have to put in the work. Oberlo handles 90% of it, but there's like a 10% of orders such as this that is much harder, where you will have to manually go in and then fulfill it yourself. But that's just part of the work. You're getting paid and you just, the money's in your account. All you have to do is just fulfill it, search around, find the supplier, and that's sort of part of it. Oberlo will help you with majority of the orders.
So what we did here, just fulfill with Oberlo. And let's say that if we don't want to fulfill Oberlo, but we fulfill with a Shopify, that would be cheaper, right?
Yes, and then you'll manually put in the order. So let's go back to Oberlo.
Oberlo now. Okay.
The tab with the order now. I think it was the other tab.
Yeah.
So when manually fulfilling it, what you would do is you see that Ali order number, and where it says add, you would add your AliExpress order number directly to there, and then Oberlo will track everything. It will sync it to your account, it will check to see if tracking, they will check to see if it's shipped, and after you add in the AliExpress order number, it will automatically marked as shipped. We don't go through it in this video, but that's basically how you do it. You just fulfill it as normal, as if you are a customer, put in the order number into here, copy and paste the address over, and yeah, it's as simple as that.
Can we do that in here in Shopify?
No. If you want to do it with Oberlo, you have to use Oberlo.
Oh.
And then Oberlo will update it onto your Shopify. So if you do it on Shopify, then you just causing like a missing part.
Okay, so there's two ways to fulfill order. One is overload, and the other one is manually. Got it. Okay. All right. Okay.
In your cart should be the cheaper version we found, where it was only $2 shipping rather than $8.88.
Yeah, this is it.
That's it. Now,
Yeah, right.
you have to change the color, correct? You said the color was blue?
I have to. They don't have the color.
So let's go back to the listing and we'll scroll down and we'll look for another similar listing. So let's check the color, no blue. So scroll down to the bottom.
Yeah.
And open up another similar one in a new tab. Open up like 3. Now go ahead and check these 5 tabs and cross all the ones that don't have blue out.
They don't have blue. This one doesn't have blue. I closed it out. This one got blue. Oh, this is a store though. Okay, this is a store right here.
Yep, so we'll keep that there for now. And then go to the next one. Next tab.
Okay. This one, is this blue?
Perfect, but it can't deliver to French Guiana, so you have to close this tab. If you scroll down,
yeah,
it says it cannot ship. Can you see that? Cannot deliver.
Gotcha. Yeah. Okay.
This one no blue, so you close the tab. So I guess you'll have to pay the expensive $8 shipping. But you got $31, so that's totally fine. You still make a solid $20 profit margin. So you have to pay the expensive shipping. So let's do it from beginning to end. So let's close all your tabs and just have the Shopify order only. So you're gonna have to redo it with Oberlo to like get Oberlo to like track all the data. So you have to close all the tabs because right now you're confusing Oberlo with like different cart open, different AliExpress links open. You're gonna confuse Oberlo and it's not gonna get the tracking and order number.
Okay,
so click order product. Let it do its thing. It's gonna add it to cart. It's gonna put in the address, and then now you have to verify. You scroll down. Everything looks good, and now you click place order. You have
I got it, but we found the other one. We found the other one cheaper, remember?
The cheaper one did not have blue, but if it did, then you would manually fulfill it, and then all you have to do is simply click place order and it will be complete. And then in this case, it didn't go through because there was a credit card decline. So basically what would happen is the order would go through. Oberlo would automatically track the order's AliExpress ID and it will paste it into Oberlo's system so it could track when it gets tracking, and it could update customers with tracking codes, etc. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Awesome, as you can see, pretty easy, straight to the point, very in depth, shows you guys every single step of the way. So hopefully you guys were able to get value from this, straight up to the point, no BS. Before we end today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses with me. The winners here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. On that, hope you guys have an amazing day. Question of the day: what issues do you get into when you fulfill orders? Let me know. I want to hear your issues. Is it sometimes the country is off, sometimes the address doesn't sync up? What issues do you come into when you fulfill your dropshipping orders? Let me know. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That's all I ask for. I give free value every single day with no ask. So that's the least I can ask for. So hopefully you guys can help me with that. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.